We are at home cooking with MsBrendaDee. So welcome from MsBrendaDee and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a simple shrimp stir fry, y'all, inspired by KWANKYEWAA'S kitchen. And here are our ingredients. Here I'm preparing my shrimp for the stir fry. I'm seasoning it with salt and pepper. And we're going to mix this around and set it to the side. Here I'm chopping up some of my ingredients. These are the sun-dried tomatoes and my garlic. And now I'm chopping up my spinach. Here I'm preparing my pasta. Make sure you add some salt and oil to your water. Just go by the directions of your package. And here I'm moving my pasta around to make sure it cooks evenly. In this skillet, I'm adding my oil. You can use a skillet or a wok. She used a wok in her video. Now I'm adding my shrimp. Y'all, I have a lot of shrimp for my stir fry. And we're going to lightly saute these. We're going to let each side turn pink. I'm not going to fully cook these. Just keep flipping them over until each side turn pink. Now I'm removing my shrimp because I don't want them to overcook. Here I'm adding my garlic, and also add your sun-dried tomatoes. I did not add that clip to this video. So stir that around. This adds flavor to your oil. Now I'm adding my shrimp back in. And we're going to stir this around to give the shrimp the good old tomato and garlic taste. Y'all, this smells so delicious. Now I'm adding my linguini pasta. And we're going to stir this in. Y'all, doesn't that look so good? Now I'm adding my spinach. This may look like a lot of spinach, but it will definitely wilt away. What I like about stir fries, you can add different meats and vegetables that you like to it. There is no limit to a stir fry. You can add like your broccolis, your green peppers, your red peppers. You can add whatever vegetables you would like in a stir fry. We're going to continue to stir this around. Have y'all noticed how the spinach is shrinking? But we do know it's there. Here I'm adding my salt and I'm adding my crushed red peppers. Then you continue to stir. And now I'm going to be back with the final result. Y'all, I am back. I'm plating up some of my shrimp stir fry. Y'all, this is so delicious. Stir fries are so easy to do, and this could be your go-to recipe because they are so simple to make. And so if you are in a hurry and need something quick, you can always go to a stir fry recipe. Okay, let me put a few shrimp on here. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all tried this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get my new and upcoming videos. And to all my new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. And to Miss KWANKYEWAA'S kitchen, thanks for sharing this delicious shrimp stir fry. God bless you. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with MsBrendaDee. So welcome from MsBrendaDee and our family.
That's a hit!